Hi students, we are going to see exercise 6.1 fourth sum. If cos A equal to 3 by 5, then find the value of sin A minus cos A divided by 2 tan A. Given cos A equal to 3 by 5, you know the formula cos A equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Now draw one right angle triangle. Now 90 degree opposite hypotenuse. Hypotenuse value 5. Write that one. And here sin A minus cos A. Now the angle is A. A opposite side here, adjacent side here. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse squared equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse squared value, 5 square equal to opposite square we want to find, plus adjacent square 3 square. 5 square 25, opposite square plus 3 square 9. Now plus 9 go to that side, minus 9, 25 minus 9 16. 16 opposite square equal to 16, opposite equal to root 16, value equal to 4. 4 into 4 16. Now sin A minus cos A divided by 2 tan A. Now sin A formula opposite by hypotenuse, cos A adjacent by hypotenuse, 2 tan A, 2 into tan A formula opposite by adjacent. Opposite value 4. Opposite value 4. Now 4 by 5. Next adjacent by hypotenuse 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Next opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent 4 by 3. See that one? Same number in the denominator, directly subtract the numerator. 4 minus 3, 1 by 5. Here multiply 8 by 3. Multiply by 2 in the numerator only. 8 by 3. Now numerator 1 fraction, denominator 1 fraction. Write the numerator into, take the reciprocal of the denominator. Take the reciprocal of the denominator. Now 1 into 3, 3, 5 8s are 40. Now we get the answer. Next, fifth sum. If cos A equal to 2x by 1 plus x squared, then find the value of sin A and tan A in terms of x. Now cos A equal to 2x by 1 plus x squared means cos A formula adjacent by hypotenuse. Now draw one diagram. 90 degree opposite side, hypotenuse. Here also A, take angle A. This one is opposite side, this one is adjacent side. Now adjacent value 2x. Adjacent value 2x, hypotenuse value 1 plus x square. We want to find similarly opposite square. Hypotenuse squared equal to 1 plus x squared whole square equal to opposite square. Adjacent squared equal to 2x whole square. See that one? Here the formula a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square already you studied in 8th standard. A plus b whole square, what is the formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2ab. Now here a equal to 1, b equal to x square. A square means 1 squared 1. B square means x squared whole square. That is x power 4. 2ab. 2ab means 2 into 1 into x square. 2 into 1 into x square, 2x square equal to opposite square. Here 2x whole square means 2 squared 4. Here x square, 4x square. This 4x square go to that side, plus minus 1 plus x power 4, 2x square minus 4x square equal to opposite square. See that one? X square term. Here plus 2 minus 4. Plus 2 minus 4 means minus 2x square. Here 1 plus x power 4 plus 2x square means 1 plus x square whole square. Here 1 plus x power 4 minus 2x square means 1 minus x square whole square equal to opposite square. Opposite equal to root of 1 minus x square whole square. Now root and square cancel, equal to 1 minus x square. Now we want to find sin A and tan A in terms of x. Sin A equal to the formula is opposite by hypotenuse, opposite value 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square, hypotenuse 1 plus x square. Tan A equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite value 1 minus x square, adjacent value 2x. Get the answer. Next sum. If sin theta equal to a by root of a square plus b square, then show that b sin theta equal to a cos theta. Here also sin theta equal to a by root of a square plus b square. Sin theta formula opposite by hypotenuse. Draw one diagram. 90 degree opposite hypotenuse. Now I will take this one is theta. Take this or theta or this also equal to theta. Okay, I will take this equal to theta. Now theta, this one is opposite side, this one is a adjacent side. Hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse square means root of a square plus b square whole square. Opposite square a square. Adjacent square we want to find. Adjacent square we want to find. Now here also root and square cancel. A square plus b square. The plus a square go to that side, minus a square. Plus a square minus a square cancel. Adjacent square equal to b square. Adjacent equal to root of b square equal to b. See that one. Show that these two values are equal. I will take LHS. LHS means b sin theta. B sin theta equal to b into sin theta value given. A by root of a square plus b square, right? Simplify. AB root of a square plus b square. RHS a cos theta. A cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. A adjacent value equal to b. B by root of a square plus b square. Here also AB by root of a square plus b square. LHS and RHS are equal. Therefore b sin theta equal to a cos theta. Get the answer. Seventh sum. If 3 cot A equal to 2, then find the value of 4 sin A minus 3 cos A divided by 2 sin A plus 3 cos A. 3 cot A equal to 2 given. Multiply 3 go to that side, divide cot A equal to 2 by 3. Cot A value formula you know, adjacent by opposite. Draw one diagram. 90 degree opposite hypotenuse. And I will take this one is A, opposite, adjacent. Now adjacent value 2, opposite value 3. We want to find hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse square, opposite value 3 square, adjacent value 2 square. 9 plus 4 equal to 13. Hypotenuse equal to root 13. Now 4 sin A minus 3 cos A divided by 2 sin A plus 3 cos A. Sin A equal to you know the formula. Opposite by hypotenuse minus 3 cos A equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. 2 sin A equal to opposite by hypotenuse plus 3 into cos A equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Now substitute the values. 4 opposite value 3. Hypotenuse value root 13. 3 by root 13 minus 3 into adjacent value 2 by root 13. Similarly 2 opposite value 3 by root 13 plus 3 adjacent value 2 by root 13. Now multiply 4 3s are 12 by root 13. Here multiply minus 6 by root 13. Next 6 by root 13. Here also 6 by root 13. See that one. Denominator value equal, then subtract 12 minus 6 by root 13. Here also denominator value equal. Now add 6 plus 6 12 by root 13. Now denominator same value, cancel. Numerator 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, that is 1 by 2. Therefore the value of this equal to 1 by 2. We get the answer. Thank you students.